Hello creative people, in this video I will show you how to invite people to join Google Meet meeting. So I will show the two step. So let's start it. By sharing meeting link, you can get the meeting link from three position. I'm showing the three option from where you can get your meeting link. So after clicking the start an instant meeting, it will take time for loading. After few times you will see the meeting ready. Below that option there is a meeting link. Also, when you click on the join now option, then you will see the copy joining info. So you also copy this link. This is the two way. There is another way. When you click the meeting details, you will get the copy joining info. So in this three way you can copy the meeting link. After that, if you share that link by mail, by WhatsApp or others, then that person can get the link. After clicking that link and the join option, he can join your meeting. Another way is invited by email. So when you click on the people option, you will see there is a two people now in the meeting. Below that people option you will get the add people option. So if you click on the add people option, then you will see that all of your Gmail account person previously you have communicated, all email will become here. Also by writing any person email ID you can invite. From here if you select any person, click on the send email, then one email will go to that person email. So when that person open his email, he will get one invitation link. If he click on that link, then join meeting option will come. From here, if he click on the join meeting, he also can join to your meeting. So this is the two way inviting people to your Google Meet meeting. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.